Experience ultra-high definition with Torvo TD3 4K front and 1080p rear camera that captures every detail clearly. Advanced WDR technology balances bright and dark areas, so you never miss important details like license plates or road signs day or night. Watch and share your footage instantly without any subscription. Stay connected on the go with built-in 5G Wi-Fi. The TD3 Dash Cam lets you easily stream, download, and share videos to your smartphone via the app. No SD card removal needed. View footage instantly on the crisp 3.2-inch IPS screen or manage everything conveniently from your phone. The TD3 Dash Cam with app and GPS lets you log your route, speed, and location, providing accurate trip records and essential evidence when needed. Speed stamps and driving paths can be easily accessed for peace of mind on every journey. The TD3 Dash Cam offers a wide 170-degree field of view to reduce blind spots and capture more of the road ahead. Its large aperture lens and advanced night vision technology deliver bright, sharp footage even in low light or at night, giving you confident, round-the-clock protection. Protect your vehicle even when parked. The Dash Cam detects motion and impacts, automatically recording and locking important footage to prevent loss. The loop recording feature saves storage space while capturing every key event, giving you peace of mind 24/7. Install your Dash Cam quickly with included 3M adhesive and tools. No professional help needed. Built tough to withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready for any climate. Includes a 64GB memory card, long rear camera cable, and supports up to 256 GB storage for all your needs.